mother suckers! Woo! Welcome back to another Tony Vision Jr. show, baby! And today, I'm at my homeboy's event, Wetfest, hosted by DJ Tri-Tip. I can smell burnouts and donuts, and there's a car show. There's a couple cars behind me. So we're gonna do a walkthrough. I might have to use this porta potty. Take a doo-doo. Mud butt. We're gonna check out some cars, get some food, holler at some people, and guess what? Hit them mother sucking buttons to comment, like, subscribe, and here we go! Smoke. Oh, here we go. Oh, snap. That's the mother sucker who hosting this bridge. Mr. Tri-Tip out there sliding, whipping, and gliding, baby. So here they got a car show too. So right now we're gonna check out some cars on display, see what they look like, see what they talking about, and keep this thing cracking. It's a nice day out here. Weather tastes good. Weather tastes real good. Tastes like Dunlaps or Michelin tires. Oh my God. I can see myself in it. Look, throwing up. I'm hungry. That's what this means. It means I'm hungry. That's what I'm throwing up right now. Oh my goodness. It don't get much better than this. Woo! Here go this big mother sucker. Okay, so he won the championship in his category at the California Classic we did not that long ago. Oh, big old turb skis. It's a sick Nova right here. Man, this thing is clean. Big brakes. Hey James.
Copyright claim.
Hey, keep talking, sorry.
We're just gonna bring down the speed of the whole thing like 2%, so it doesn't sound right. How are you doing?
Freaking James. Oh man, this is a tight fit. The wheel tuck fitment is on point. Oh, and he got a tow hitch too. Oh boy. Oh, how you doing? Oh, Rock was telling me you had a new little something. This it? Oh, woo! All right. Oh! What's up, y'all?
Give him pound.
What's up, Cash? 3 pounds. Oh, I gotta turn the camera off because Cash don't like cameras.
Hey,
Cash too famous. My dude.
What's up with you, bro? Hanging. About to fuck around a little bit. I got my Mustang over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I maybe. I gotta find a helmet though. They tripping. So I may.
Hey, you still can't do a shut it down.
Come on, every time. You already know it.
All right, it's good to see you.
You too. Thank you, bro.
Nice Continental. Long daddy too. White walls. Slam. Nice. This is a Hyundai. This is a freaking Hyundai. Oh, snap. Hyundai. I cannot believe this is a freaking Hyundai. This mother sucker is clean. Whoa. Man. Shout out to the Trailblazer, the TBSS gang out here, man. They always come places and they always come deep. Look at this. Look at all these TBSSs. Man. Crazy. They come through and shut it down. Every time. Every time. Well, all right, you mother suckers. The day's going pretty good. Having a freaking blast. And I'm hungry. So guess what? I'm gonna go grab me some food, watch a couple more burnouts, couple more donuts, couple more this, couple more that's, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next mother sucking episode. Wow!